Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I'm Shurmishta. Today I'm going to show you an easy peasy chicken recipe. This is lemon pepper chicken. So let's get started. For preparing this recipe, we need some ginger garlic paste, some cornstarch, some cloves and some tej patta, some black pepper powder, some salt and some lemon juice, some yogurt, some ginger and garlic finely chopped, and then some green chilies and chicken, obviously, because it's a chicken recipe. Best part of this recipe is we don't need to marinate it for hours. You just have to pour some lemon juice for marination and then some ginger garlic paste, then some black pepper powder, some salt as per the taste, and then we will add the yogurt. And then we'll marinate it. Make sure your hands are clean. After marinating it, keep it aside for a minute or two. And then take a pan in the meanwhile and add some oil into the pan and let it heat up for a few seconds. After it heats up, add in the bay leaves. Bay leaves is also known as tej patta in Hindi. And then to it add some black pepper. Then add in the chopped garlic into the pan and then saute it for a few seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds. After that, add in the garlic into the pan and then saute it for like 20 to 30 seconds. And then after sauteing everything, add in the chicken into the pan and keep the gas in high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add in some green chilies and then add in some salt as per the taste and then add in some more black pepper powder. Give it a good mix and then cover it and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, your chicken will look like this. After that, add in some more lemon juice into it. And for getting a more thicker gravy, add in some cornstarch with water into it. After that, give it a good mix and then cover it and let it cook for more 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, your lemon pepper chicken is ready to be served. Isn't it a very easy recipe? And yeah, this is the final look of my lemon pepper chicken. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.